Hi everyone! I partnered with Cookiebox and they sent me not one, not two, but three adorable crochet amigurumi kits to try. These kits include all the materials to make a teddy bear, a jellyfish, and a bunny. And all these materials come packaged in those little tin boxes. They are a great size actually, and they're perfect for beginners or seasoned crafters and crocheters. And they're a great little treat in a little cookie box. You can give this one not only as a gift, but you can use it to spend time with your loved ones crocheting little plushies. Now that the holidays are coming, or for Valentine's Day, this is such a cutie. So stick around and see what's inside and get inspired to start your next crochet adventure. So let's start with this little bear called Charlie. This is a great little box. Just look around it. It's perfect. There's a QR code here. I just covered it because I made a video for Amazon and they don't allow me to show QR codes there. So the box is a little less than 6 inches and it's very cute. It's also a little bit raised here, so it's very nice to the touch as well. It's sleek, but you can still feel here the writing of Cookiebox and the little bear. And when you open it, you actually, let's see what you get. You get all the instructions. So with the QR codes, you'll have access to them. There are tutorials and PDF files. Once you have access to the website, they're all here. You can order them on Amazon. And let's see, I have Charlie here. Here's the tutorial. And the instructions, so look at that. There are instructions for righties and for lefties. Isn't that cool? And the PDF pattern that you can download. And all the instructions here with the basic crochet techniques. These are all great for beginners. And the files for lefties, the instructions for lefties. They're how to change colors, how to do a magic ring, and all this information. And you can contact the Cookiebox. Isn't that a very neat thing to have handy? And you don't have to, you can just open these and you can use, and you can go back and you can find the instructions for the righties, for the lefties. That's a great information here. Okay, so here, and this is a sticker. That's a very cool sticker. I love stickers. So each kit has a crochet hook. The yarn is cotton and nylon blend, which has a great stretch, and because it's a tube yarn, it's actually a knit yarn around a soft core. So a beginner will not gonna be worried about splitting the yarn. It's a thicker yarn. It's maybe a little bit thicker than 4-weight yarn. And the crochet hook is a little bit thinner though. Because you're doing amigurumi, you need a thinner hook so you don't have holes. All the little pieces that you need, like little eyes and markers and the needle, you all have everything here included. And look at these eyes. So the eyes actually have a little sparkle to them. Aren't they cute? Look at this. So the teddy bear has green eyes. You just put the sparkly part on the eye. And here is the backing. Then you use the back to close it inside. So you have 3 stitch markers and a big needle for sewing. It's blunt tip, so it's not gonna snag on the yarn. Of course, there's the batting. I already cut the baggie, so it can get some air and fluff. So that is the teddy bear with green eyes. Adorable. So let's look at the next one. And then we'll crochet a little bit and try the yarn. So the next one is purple and pink combination. Oh, this was red and this beige. And look at this combination, it's so cute. So this is Jenny, she's a jellyfish. And here we also have the information here with the QR codes and the stickers. We have the color purple, 2 colors of pink, and let's see the eyes, and we have the stuffing as well and the crochet hook. I just loved those eyes. Even just looking at them, they're so cute. So Jenny has a red, pink sparkly eyes. There you go. So you thread it through. Isn't that cute? Adorable eyes. But they're quite large, so that will make a very cute project. And of course we have those colors, and I already tried crocheting with the pink one. Last but not least is this bunny called Lola. So Lola comes, let's make some space for Lola, comes with the colors that she needs. Of course, there are instructions for her too here. And these are her colors. And the stuffing here. And let's look at her eyes. And of course, a crochet hook. So, and they're cookie crumbs. That is so clever. Oh my gosh, adorable. So her eyes are green. So Lola's eyes. Was it Lola? Yeah. The bunny is Lola. And her eyes are green behind this color. Adorable. Oh my gosh. Ah, so sweet, so cute. And this is a very nice pink. Very pretty. So I don't want to mix them too much here. And let's keep those eyes together. So look at these sets. They are adorable. So they have multiple sets on Amazon, so you can get any one you like. These are the 3 I liked the most, but it was a very hard choice. So it was really hard to pick which ones I like. I could have them all. So let's crochet a bit. So let's get the pink. So there, you start with your magic ring. And it's a very nice crochet hook too, because it's soft. The handle is soft. You can put your thumb over here, and my nail polish is matching the crochet hook just by accident. So let's start. All right, I like that. It goes smoothly through the crochet hook. And there. Let's see, 3, 4, 5. I'm not following the instructions, I'm just checking the yarn and the crochet hook, so you can use a marker if you need to put a mark where your first stitch is. All right, so we are increasing now. Good. I can see my stitches very well, so when you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about splitting your yarn because there's nothing to split. It's a knit yarn. You can see the knitting, and inside the tube there is a soft core that's actually making it a little bit more structured and showing a definition. So there it is. You don't have to worry about tightening your stitches too much. And there. I'm not getting holes. I'm gonna tighten that middle. Great stitch definition. I like that. Look at this. It means you can see your stitches very well. When it's time to put eyes, you can go through the stitches and put eyes. Let's try that too. I'm just gonna need a little bit more. There it is. And we can include white color as well, just to see how they work. Oh, they go so well together. Look at that, very cute. All right, so here, if you need to put an eye, you go through the stitch. Oh, so cute. And then you secure the stitch behind, the eye behind. That is adorable. I just cannot decide which one to start from. I think I'll do the jellyfish because it's absolutely adorable, adorable. And I like those eyes a lot. Oh my gosh, pink eyes. You can mix and match the eyes if you want to. If you get more than one kit, you can decide to make it all pink with even the eyes. Or I don't know, combine them. I love it. I am so impressed with this kit. You should definitely try that. There. You can put a little loop here and you can hang it in your car. You can do a keychain even. And I was thinking that you can make the tin into a little house, like you can make a little bed or a little carpet, and your animal can live inside actually, and you can even display it like that, like standing up. And Jenny can live in a cookie box. Isn't that cute? I should try that. That's a great idea. Well, guys, you should definitely try those cookie boxes. Happy crocheting!